Hi guys, blah 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 blah, blah words. Okay, I just want to open this package that I got. It's an old DS game from 2008, new, and that brings back so many memories. I am so excited and so happy that I don't even remember from wearing pants. Oh yeah, I'm good. Okay. Okay. I've been waiting for this for a month now, and I ordered it like I think Saturday. No, Friday. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Hey, want to see my dad's credit card? Yeah, it is. You're a horrible person if you wanted to know. Okay, as my brother looks like he is stalking me. That's really creepy. Okay, so as you can see, order date is 9/12/2014. Shipping date is 9/15/2014. Shipping via, I don't know what that is.
Shipping from
UPS, then. Customer number. What do you want to know this? Order number, I don't know.
credit card number.
Credit card number. Where is it? Oh, right here. 3. Once again, you're a horrible person if you wanted to know. Okay. That's phone number. That's a phone, and that ringtone. That's a ringtone for a house phone, and we changed it to that. Wait a minute. Yes, I'm wearing pants. Okay. And we changed that so we automatically know that's him. So yeah, I want to say that because I look stupid. Okay. What? Oh, yeah! It came, and it actually came, and it's wrapped. That proves it's new. Oh my god! The key already device enclosed. Whatever. It's the exact game I thought it would be. Wait, no, it's not. It's better! Okay, let's open this up. It still looks like it has wrapping on it. It brings back so many memories. You can see it. Okay. There's the cover. And there's this manual. Okay. Nintendo DS health and safety precaution. And then this. Okay. Warning, battery leakage. Okay. I just want to read this. Let's see. Getting started. Menus, controls, control layout. Here. I am so excited, guys. You don't know how excited I am. Economy. There are 2 types of currencies. I just skipped right a page. Currency in Six Flags Fun Park. Coins and tickets. Coins can be used to play coin-op games to activate different objects in the park. They can be acquired by going on rides, operating food games, or exploring the park. Tickets. Use these games for playing booth games and going on rides. You can get more tickets from coin-op games or find them by exploring around the park. Starting on new one. Okay. Inventory prizes. Small, medium, large. Key items. Key items allow you to interact with more park and often rewarded after finishing quests. Example. Food booth keys that you play additional mini games. That's cool. The food booth keys are permanent to your inventory, so you'll only be giving them once. Collectibles. No, this is so much to read. I'm gonna read it one day when I'm playing this in a call. I'll be like, Okay, got my 3DS. Looking at all the games speaking about old games that I love to do is SpongeBob. You're on to life. Okay, I'm really weird. Okay, I am wearing pants. Yeah, I can't record the crystal. Bye guys, I love you. Have a good day. Like, comment, and subscribe.